It's been 5 years since we started these challenges together. What started as just a way to pass the time during COVID has transformed into a bi-yearly crucible for digital artists and an ultimate showcase of your imagination. Today marks the beginning of a new challenge, a new chance for us to learn and grow together. Regardless of where you're from, what program you use, or how long you've used it, it's time for our 10th 3D community challenge, Chasm's Call. The Chasm challenges you to put your unique spin on its provided 5-second template. Now, the rules are simple. Your submission must follow our provided template. You gotta place a character on the provided foreground shelf. You must create a sense of depth. 1 submission per artist, 1 artist per submission. Follow the tech specs, no generative AI, and submit by the evening of March 9th. You'll have 30 days to build your digital world, and what happens afterwards is in fate's hands. Because on Friday, March 21st, there'll be a live unveiling of the chosen ones, the top 100 artists, revealed to you by our guest judges, Visual and the man of the people, Fabricio. Now, we've uncovered a long-lost website transmitting information specific to Chasm's Call, like the challenge template, a Discord server full of passionate artists, a list of key dates, FAQs, and rules, and an archive of free software to any artist who answers the call this month. We can't embark on this quest empty-handed, so let's gear up for the journey ahead. Marvelous Designer is offering their support to all artists this month and unlocking their software for us free of charge. Marvelous Designer is the industry standard for designing and simulating your digital wardrobe. It's been used by the best of the best to bring 3D characters to life and even simulate creations outside of the box. A lot of you used Marvelous Designer on our last challenge and the results really stood out. In their latest update, they've improved their advanced GPU simulation, added trim simulations, and improved quad remeshing. ActionVFX is lending their hand for the next 30 days. Now, for almost a decade, Rudy and the team have been creating the world's largest VFX stock library. They've amassed an archive of 12,000 plus assets, from explosions, dirt blasts, fog, muzzle flashes, and tons more. And they've compiled a free asset pack for us to use during the challenge. You can find the promo code and the relevant link down in the description. Jenga FX is back again to give us their Elemental Suite free of charge. That means you're using EmberGen, GeoGen, and LiquidGen to bring your renders to life. And Fox Render Farm is firing up their servers and giving all artists here $50 toward their cloud rendering service using the code FOXRENDER, and another $25 to new registrants. Regardless of your computer specs or software of choice, Fox Render Farm is here to supercharge our render times. The Chasm's Call is no simple task. So to the top 100 artists who go above and beyond this month, a special bunch of prizes has been set aside in your honor. Starting with Kitbash 3D, they're bestowing upon you 1 world-building kit of your choice between Neo Shanghai, Sci-Fi Industrial, Wasteland, Favelas, and Goliath, which you can import into your favorite 3D program using Cargo, Kitbash's asset management software. They're gifting any artist here 20% off any kit or $100 off of Cargo Pro, which gives you immediate access to their 20,000 plus premium 3D assets that stretch across a variety of imaginative genres. CG Pro, the premier online CG school for live film and game courses, is going to give you 90 days to their inner circle, a weekly gathering of industry artists that meet for secret masterclasses and seminars in order to sharpen their skills. I'll be hosting an inner circle session myself later this quarter, so I hope to see you there. And they're offering a site-wide 20% off discount to any artist who wants to take the next step. Kaft, the Turkish design brand, is not only letting you choose your favorite shirt from their site, but giving one of the top 100 artists $1,000 and the chance for their Chasm's Call render to be made into a t-shirt. Just like this one from Lassie Bessling. Head on over to their website, grab some challenge merch. Marvelous Designer is gonna give the top 100 60 days access to their glorious software and 1 artist the Marvelous Award, where they'll win $300 and be praised across the Marvelous Designer channels for all time. Fox Render Farm is giving the top 100 $100 to their cloud rendering services. And finally, Jenga FX is giving the top 100 another 60 days of their Elemental Suite. Among the chosen ones, there'll be 5 artists who go the furthest. A vault of riches will be open to you, and inside, the 5th place artists will find a Deco Pro Gen 2 artist drawing tablet from XP Pen with 16,000 levels of pen pressure and a glossy paper finish. The Deco Pro drawing tablet will not only unlock your creative potential, but protect your brittle wrist bones for years to come. They also want you to choose the tablet size that works best for you. Grayscale Gorilla is also joining Chasm's call and providing the 5th place winner with 90 days toward Grayscale Gorilla Plus, which taps into their library of 5,000 plus fully assembled materials, textures, HDRIs, and 3D models. Their all-new Grayscale Gorilla Studio app makes it easy to find your favorite assets and transfer them to the program of your choice in a single click. They're also offering the top 100 artists 25% off site-wide. foxrender Farm is giving you $400 toward their cloud rendering service. And from ActionVFX, you're getting one of their very comfy t-shirts, as well as one variety pack, which is a themed pack of VFX assets just for you. From Rococo, the motion capture company, they're gonna give you a year of Rococo Pro, which unlocks suitless motion capture with Rococo Vision. Stream directly into Rococo Studio and retarget your characters after capture. Rococo is also running an insane deal right now. You can get up to 40% off mocap gear by checking out their indie bundles, and if you use the code pwnisher5, you can get an additional 5% off. Kitbash 3D is giving you a year of Cargo Pro. Django FX is giving you a perpetual license to their Elemental suite, plus a year of maintenance. Caft is throwing you $250 to anything on their site. That's jackets, shirts, pants, socks, bags, beanies, and any of the other premium wares on their site. And finally, Marvelous Designer is giving that 5th place artist 1 year of their Marvelous Designer license. Now the 4th place winner gets everything from 5th place, but with a few tweaks. foxrender Farm is upping you to $500, and ActionVFX is giving you 2 of their variety packs. And the 3rd place winner gets everything from 4th, but a year of Grayscale Gorilla Plus, $600 to the foxrender Farm, and on top of 3 variety packs from ActionVFX, you're getting their annual Essentials plan, unlocking 3,000 plus essential stock elements hand-picked from their main asset library. Download 20 assets per day and up to 6K resolution in ProRes, EXR, and Red RAW formats. And those assets you download are licensed to you forever. Rococo is gonna send you your choice of their iOS-based head rig or their Android-based head cam, which comes with a mounted lightweight 60 FPS camera, and it even has a dimmable light for nighttime capture, both of which are used to make facial capture a breeze. XP Pen is empowering you with their Gen 2 Artist Pro 16-inch 2.5K drawing display. It comes packed with their signature 16,000 levels of pen pressure, an X remote for efficient control over your display, a pen, pen accessories, and a built-in foldable stand. And CG Pro is giving the 3rd place winner 6 months of the Inner Circle. 2nd place gets everything from 3rd, but $700 from foxrender Farm, a year of the Inner Circle from CG Pro, 4 variety packs from ActionVFX, and from HTC. You're getting their all-new Vive Focus Vision, offering all-in-one XR wireless PC VR and built-in eye tracking. This headset offers 5K untethered VR experiences, as well as tools to expand your 3D art. You can design in mixed reality with their high-res full-color pass-through cameras and bring virtual objects into your physical scene. They're also sending you 5 of their brand new Ultimate trackers for a total of 8-point full-body VR tracking. That means your hands, your feet, your elbows, your hips and head are all accurately mapped in virtual reality to make gaming and VR chat much more immersive. These full-body trackers are self-tracking and don't require base stations. And to top it off, they're also hooking you up with their face tracker to capture your mouth movements during VR chat. Huge shout-outs to Vive for joining us again for our 10th challenge. Rococo is sending you a pair of their smart gloves for real-time hand and finger tracking, boosting the quality of your suitless motion capture and beyond. You're also getting a year of Rococo Pro, which includes access to Rococo Vision. And XP Pen is swapping that 16-inch for the 19-inch Gen 2 Artist Pro drawing display. It's got a 4K color-accurate Ultra Vision display and all the sweet mods like the X remote, the pen, accessories, and more. And to the artist who is called the furthest, on top of everything from 3rd, an upgraded $800 from foxrender Farm, and 2 years of the Inner Circle from CG Pro, Rococo is giving you their grand prize, a full performance capture bundle, complete with a Smart Suit Pro 2 for high fidelity body capture, the smart gloves for hand and finger tracking, and your choice between either of their head rigs. You're also winning a Coil Pro, Rococo's magical box that acts as a ground truth for your suit, making for the highest fidelity performance capture results. And from ActionVFX, you're getting all 5 variety packs, the annual Essentials plan, and their grand prize, a 60 credit plus plan to be spent on any asset site-wide. And finally, from XP Pen, they're sending you their Artist Pro 24-inch 2K QHD certified color-accurate drawing display, complete with 165 Hz refresh rate, 2 styles of 16K pressure level pens, and a wireless shortcut remote for efficient control. So I'm live streaming right now. Come on over. We're gonna get you all started. We'll go to the Chasmscall website together. We'll download the starter files. I'll answer any questions that you have because I'm gonna be making art with you. It's gonna be awesome. Let's do this. Peace.